Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about s over 1 plus s squared to the power of 2 ds. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 plus s squared. So this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive, and then we have the integration, and we put 1 over 2 gone here. So the integration of this one, we have octane of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.